Metaman rocks!
Hello, this is the Metaman inviting you to join the NFT Mile High Club. What do I mean? Wait till you hear this. This is a very enjoyable and very brief episode. I think you'll really enjoy the next step in NFTs. And here it is. By the way, I just want to say before I really get into this, that I owe this important message to Nate Speglic, who lives in Slovenia and who's a dear compadre, a dear colleague of mine in making sure this channel does a really good job. Every so often, he sends me insights. He sends me a link that I can read and learn from, or a video that I can play to learn from and possibly create a video about it. And I want to say that to you too. If you see a report, if you see a video that's really interesting and you want me to know about it, then just send me a link. Just put it in any one of the comments to any one of the videos, because I read every single comment with the link, and I may well make a video on that and I will acknowledge you. So let's get on with the show. Airline asset tokenization platform called TravelX and Spanish airline Air Europa have partnered up to allow the airline to issue tickets in an NFT format, and they're called NFT ickets. It's very cute. The specially designed series of tickets grant owners a business class flight to Miami Beach on November 29th, 2022. There will be a total of 10 NF tickets auctioned off every 14 days on the Travel Exchange auction platform, with the NFT collection issued on the Algorand blockchain network. The Eiffel Tower in Paris will host the event for the final bid for the first NF ticket to be released and sold during the Paris Blockchain Week on Thursday. Wow, wow, wow. NFTs are working their way into the real world. There's sports NFTs and there's over-pixelated JPEG NFTs. And you'll remember that Snoop Dogg made a mansion on a virtual land in the metaverse sandbox. And then he built a mansion on that land. And then what he did was he issued invitations, but the invitations were NFTs. Ugh, the world, I don't know, I'm trying hard to catch up because I wasn't brought up with the internet. I've gotten used to the internet, thank gosh, but now I'm forced into this whole new domain of metaverses and NFTs. And not just that, I'm also working extra hard in order to teach you. You are now far wiser than you were just a few minutes ago, and you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button because you love me and you love my channel. And now we're going to go to the moon by increasing my subscribership so that more and more people can find out about the great wisdom that I offer, but I need your help to do it by smashing that subscribe button. I love you. Please click on Meta in order to subscribe to my channel. And please click on this video, which is my most recent video, my previous one. And please click on that video, which Google and YouTube think is the most appropriate if you enjoyed this video.